used in many applications like agriculture, healthcare, and many more. Now I'm going to say about in agriculture field. Statistics plays a vital role in agriculture and how to calculate the field or crop field and when to cultivate the crop and everything. Um, and as well as in pesticides too, statistics was used in many more times.
Now I'm going to talk about statistics in manufacturing. Starting from statistics, prediction, process control, it ensures product quality by maintaining and controlling the process control analysis using charts. Then a design of experiments optimizes manufacturing process by identifying the risky factors and determining the best operation settings. Then at the last stage, it uses prediction measurements, uses statistic models to predict the system failures, reducing the maintenance downtime and errors.
You can predict the it's a heavy loss of our environment and